Today we're adding polynomials. First step is to group like terms. The terms that have the same exponent. Now that all the like terms are grouped, you want to combine them. When combining like terms, add or subtract the coefficient depending on the integer, positive or negative. So both are positive, okay, so we add 12 and 4, which equals 16, and the variable stays the same, so it's 16a to the second power. Both are positive, so it equals 27a. The variable always stays the same and the exponent stays the same. So now you want to put all those together. The third step is to write them down in descendant order. So plus 8, and that is your sum. So now we're going to learn how to subtract polynomials. The first step is to multiply the second expression by -1. So the reason you multiply the second equation by -1 is to change the operation. When you multiply, the subtraction turns to addition, and everything inside the parentheses switch. The second step is now it turns into an addition problem. So the second step would be to group like terms. Now the third step is to combine like terms. 3x squared minus x squared equals 2x squared. Then -5x minus 2x equals -7x. 2 plus 11 equals 13. Now we put it all together. And that is your difference. So now we're going to learn about multiplying polynomials. So the first step is to distribute each part of the leading polynomial to the second polynomial, then add both parts together. So this is your leading polynomial, and here's your second. So Distribute the x squared. Squared times 3 cubed plus 8x squared plus 2x plus 5. Then you're going to do that with the 9x and the 10x, and you get 9x Now, the second step is to multiply each expression out. So, you go x times 3x plus x squared times 8x plus x squared times 2x plus x squared times 5. And you get 3x to the 5th power plus 8x to the 4th power plus 2 cubed plus 5x to the 2nd power. And you do the same thing for 9x and negative 10x. And you get, for 9x, you get 27x to the 4th power plus 7x cubed plus 18x squared plus 45x. And when you do it for negative 10, you get negative 30x cubed plus negative 3x squared minus 20x minus 50. Now, for the third step is to group like terms. Yeah. And when you're multiplying, when dealing with larger x polynomials, meaning the exponent of the expression is greater than 1, the best way to avoid confusion is to group like terms. So I wouldn't say to skip this part. So now, with them grouped, we're going to combine like terms. And this would be the product.
We're going to learn about long division. So here we're going to divide x to the 3rd power minus 4x squared plus 2x plus 5 divided by x minus 2. This is how you're going to set up the problem. When setting up the equation, the numerator will go inside the division sign and the denominator will go outside the division sign. The highest power inside the division sign will be divided by the highest power outside the division sign. So x to the 3rd power divided by x is x squared. So after this, you're going to multiply x squared, the divisor. So x squared times x is x to the 3rd. X squared times negative 2 is negative 2x squared. You're going to subtract this from the polynomial inside the division sign. So what you're going to get is you're going to cross this out, and subtracting this, you're going to get negative 2x squared. So now you're going to bring down 2x. So now you're just going to repeat the steps. Negative
2x squared divided by x is negative 2x. And negative 2x times x. Negative 2x times x will give you negative 2x squared. Negative 2x times negative 2, that'll give you a positive 4x. And now you're going to subtract this. This will cross out. Positive 2x minus positive 4x will give you negative 2x. Now you will bring this down, you bring the 5 down. And you will just repeat this in steps. Negative 2x divided by x will give you a negative 2. Negative 2 times x give you negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 2 will give you a positive 4. Subtract this, these will cross out. Positive 5 minus positive 4 will give you a 1.
1, and this will be your remainder. The way to write out the answer is x squared minus 2x minus 2 plus 1 x minus 2. And that is how you do long division. So, the final one will be synthetic division, but this one has a restriction. You must be dividing by a linear expression. The leading coefficient must be a 1. So we're going to divide 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 by x minus 3. For the first step, you will write down all the coefficients and put the 0 from x minus 3 at the left. So that's how I got this 3. You're going to bring the 3 down and you're going to multiply it with the number on the left. 3 times 3 equals 9. You're going to bring up the 9 to the next column and you're going to add that column. Negative 2 plus 9 will give you a 7, and you're going to repeat the steps.
7 times 3 will give you 21, and you carry the 21 to the next column. 3 plus 21 will give you a 24. 24 times 3 will give you a 72, and you're just going to carry it to the next column. Negative 4. So you're just going to add the column.
Negative 4 plus 72 will give you a 68, and this is your remainder. The bottom line will create a new polynomial. So it will give you 3x squared plus 7x plus 24 plus 68, which was your remainder, over x minus 3. And this is how you will write your answer when doing synthetic division. The bottom line will create a new polynomial. So it will give you 3x squared plus 7x plus 24 plus 68, which was your remainder, over x minus 3. And this is how you will write your answer when doing synthetic division.